Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower felt seal on the drum support in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the dryer's lower access panel. Pull the panel up to remove. Next, unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the control panel. Pull the panel down to detach. Release the wires from the retaining clip and move the panel out of the way. Disconnect the dryer door switch wire connector. Next, unthread the upper left screw securing the inner access panel. This will make it easier to remove the front panel and lint filter duct assembly. Now use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 lower screws securing the front panel. Next, unthread the 4 upper screws along the top of the cabinet. With all of the screws unthreaded, you can fully remove the front panel and lint filter duct assembly. Set the assembly down on a towel or blanket. If still intact, peel off the old felt seal. Before you install the new lower felt seal, clean off any residue from the drum support. Apply some high-temperature adhesive to the support. Then align the new seal and press firmly. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the adhesive to set. Then reinstall the front panel by positioning the lower portion of the lint filter duct behind the inner access panel as you align the front panel mounting pins with the holes in the cabinet frame. Rethread the 4 upper screws. It will be easier to replace the 2 middle screws first. Rethread the 2 lower screws. Now rethread the upper left screw to fully secure the inner access panel. Reconnect the door switch wire connector. Secure the control panel wires in the retaining clip, then reposition the panel. Replace the mounting screws. realign the access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.